name is Aini.
My name is Sakila. My name is Namrana.
My name is Sumaira.
My name is Shakila.
My name is Shafa. So here we are going to show you guys how to make instant noodles.
Let's go.
I'm so hungry. But I don't have money, I don't have snack, I don't have anything. What should I do?
Wait, I have an instant noodle. You know how to make this? I show you. Let's go.
Ingredients and materials. 1 packet of instant noodle, egg, spoon, pot, water.
First, in a cup, pour water to a boil. Second, add the instant noodle to the boiling water. Next, cook for 2 until 3 minutes, stirring occasionally until the noodles are tender. And then, open the seasoning packet. That comes with the noodle and put it to the plate. Stir well to mix. After that, if desired, add the vegetables, meat or other ingredients. Last, enjoy it!